You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular actress and songwriter Bukunmi Oluwasina has revealed the reason she doesn't draw eyebrows is because she doesn't know how to do it. She includes that she applies makeup on her face by herself and keeps her eyebrows natural. She wrote, Bukunmi Oluwasina is a fast-rising Nigerian actress, movie producer, singer, playwright, and model. She was born in the early 1990s into a family of 7, in which she happens to be the third born of the family. She is a native of Ekiti State, Mercy. Bukunmi Oluwasina's age is not broadly known.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment and share. Thank you, Boya TV.